and I'm trying to eliminate every other reason why it's not running right. So I took just about everything apart. Now I simplified everything. Don't laugh. And one thing I did notice is, I don't know if you could see it in the video, but this angle is not the same as this angle, which was causing the reversing gears not to line up correctly. And all of these were different lengths. So then there's that. I made it run simple just by taking one of the eccentrics, flopping it around, removing that one, so it runs in the same direction. Still have a problem with this cylinder here. No matter what I do, I can't get it to actually have any power. I swapped the valves. The other one, this one ran just fine with either valve, didn't care which one. Steam valves. And that one. Still not sure. Let's see. Spins real easy. We'll find out and let you know.